Okay, we're back. I am so sorry about that. Hopefully people haven't all given up. Hi guys, I am so sorry about that. I had the wrong mic connected. Can you hear me? Hello? Hi guys, welcome back. Is the sound fine now? Sweet. Let's proceed. Okay, great. We have lost one viewer. I guess they may join later. So, shall we start spaghetti? Yes, if we have new people, let me know and I'll try to slow it down and explain the clues, but I feel like most people here are experienced solvers. Now, once again to one down, second time lucky. One down is loss dividing baseball team associations. So one thing I was just thinking is that loss might become an L. I think there's an abbreviation for loss, which is L. Not sure if that's what's happening here, but that's one thing to think about. Not seeing too much here. Obviously dividing could be an insertion indicator. An L going into a baseball team to make associations. Nah, it's not coming to me. What else have we got? Now the problem is that I've seen some of these clues, so I'm going to avoid those ones and try to find the ones that I have not seen. Yeah, okay. 3 across. Let's have a look at this one. Looks a little complicated. Hot tip. Cut off, bleached, styled, fiasco. Okay, yeah, so the surface is talking about hair. But what is the clue really saying? Bleached, styled, fiasco. Hot. Could be tip cut off hot. Bleached. Styled. Yeah, that one's stumping me for now. What else do we have here? 4 down. Maybe we look for something short and easier, potentially. And something like... Oh, yep. I think maybe 10 across, I can see. So we have sort of reptilian accountants. And I'm thinking here that this is a double definition, where one definition is a sort of reptilian and the other definition is accountants. And I believe that kind of open, so there might be other double definitions that fit. But that one is ringing true for me for the moment. So we'll see if it checks out. So now we have a D in 4 down. And we've got, wow. Oh, nice. 3 across. Oh, yes, very good. So, yep. So here, so hot tip means the first letter of hot, which is a H, and then we're cutting that off bleached. So then we've just got BLEACED. That then gets styled, which means mix up the letters, and we have a fiasco or a debacle. Great solve, Millie. Yes, anyone just chip in as you want. How many viewers do I have at the moment? Okay, three people watching. So yeah, we can share it around. I think it shouldn't be too. Yeah, it should be fairly fair. So that gives us a D with 3 down, but I'm avoiding that one because I'll throw it to you guys. So 3 down, if you haven't seen it, is seen the answer. I mean, is Palm Sunday. So if you have an answer for that one, let me know. I'm not going to answer because I have seen that one before. 4 down, sped around after going both ways with walkers. Okay, that's a nice one. Around here could be mixing up the letters of sped. And we do have... Oh yeah, and then after. So sped around after. Going both ways with walkers. Okay. Yep. Okay, I got this one. Anybody out there have an answer for 4 down? The other... Oh, so I suppose if Abuari is there, there's only one other... Yes, very good, date. You are right. So 3 down is a double definition. Palm, so a type of palm, is a date palm. And Sunday is an example of it. Anyway, no. Let's just go with double definition. Let's not complicate it. Great solve. Yeah, so not too many. So who is the other person then who is watching? Oh, I suppose it's me. Okay. Yeah, so this could be a very quiet solving session, which is nice. I like that. Ways is bi, as in bisexual, and that's coming after. Oh, sorry. After that is sped around. Walkers, and it's going to be peds to make bipeds. Not sure what you're laughing at there, but I'm glad you're enjoying it. Maybe the lack of numbers on this particular session. Yeah, not sure about that. Perhaps the audio issue. We lost someone, so that was my fault. 7 across. Infection caused by lead hand in error 1 day. Interesting. So based on the crossing letters, I think I can see an infection if that is how it's working, but I'm trying to work out the parsing here and whether that is actually a possibility. So what we've got is lead hand. Yep, could be a H. In error 1 day. So 1 could be I or A. Day could be D. What's going to... Oh, yep. I think I might have it. So, does anybody else want to solve this one? I'm not used to this. Normally our key solvers come in and just blitz these kinds of things. But yes, I can put in day. I mean, it could be hand in error. The whole thing could be the error, but I can tell you that that's not how it's working. Day is at the end. And then the error that we've got here is a typo. So we've got lead hand, which is H, in error, which is typo, and then ID for one day at the end. And the whole thing is an infection. I'm aware too that there is some lag, so apologies if I am solving these before you even hear the clue. I'll try to slow down. Okay, well, this is good. Oh, very good, very good. Yep, okay, I got this one. So 8 down, we've got bugger up software. I like this clue actually. This is nice. Any ideas for this one? So up here, I mean, yeah, it could be a double definition. It could be bugger up and then software. But up is very often a reverse. Yeah, very good. Up is a reversal indicator. So we've got a bugger or a sod going up to make software, which is DOS, as in MS-DOS. Love that clue. Very nice. Yep, exactly. You got it. And yeah, we'll keep going with this one, I guess, because we've got some crossing letters. So fat little officer carrying gun case. Okay, I like this. This has got me baffled for now. Officer could be a number of things. I'm thinking cop, just because we've got a C and an O there. It's a long word too. Could that whole thing mean fat? Yes, it could, and I've just worked it out. So if I'm right, how is this working? Okay. So I think I can see the gun case. That could be a holster. That might give you quite an idea. Wondering how the rest of this works though. Any ideas, by the way? So far, I can't account for an extra E, so I'm just trying to work that part out. No ideas. Yeah, fair. So I can tell you that the definition is fat. And yes, as I said, it's got holster in it, so I can possibly put that one in. Oh, has it stopped? No. Okay, we're back. Good. Yeah, very good. That's what I'm thinking. Um, and it just seems too perfect for it not to be the answer. But how is it working? So we've got holster here, so Holster. We've got an E in holster, and we've got just COL on the outside. Unless holster has an E in it, I didn't think it did. Yeah, colonel is short for, yeah, that's what I was thinking. So colonel, yeah, is going to be the little officer. An officer is a colonel. Little is an abbreviation. But does holster have an E in it? I thought that it was Holster. I will check that one. So I can find a browser. That's the thing, there's all these alternate spellings of things. Not looking good. I hope that's not a mistake. I'll check the anno at the end, the annotation. But for now, I'm a little bit that E. Unless that's not the, surely that's the answer. We missed that in proofreading. Okay, fair. Thank you, appreciate that. No longer have to worry about that one. It's a shame. It's otherwise very nice. How could we fix it? Tricky, yeah. Not sure, actually. Yeah, E stands for lots of things, but not sure exactly what would fit best into this. But that's not our job. We're here to solve the crossword, not the problems that might be in it. But yeah, otherwise a nice clue. And that gives us a few crossing letters we've got to work with. I'm looking at 6 across. Maybe we can start working on the left corner. Left corner? What are you supposed to say? The northwest corner, I suppose. Young student parking camper in 12 steps. If you want to glue for cholesterol, clue, yeah, exactly. Oh, it's a shame. It's so nice except for that E. But I'm not sure how you would get that E in there. So little officer, yeah, colonel. Carrying gun case with, I don't know. It's just so perfect. Yeah. Anyway, yes, AA, exactly. That's what I'm thinking. Student could be an L. What's the definition here? So yeah, probably young is the definition, or young student. Parking camper. Oh, okay, yeah. So probably, yeah, it's just a camper in a young student. Is it one of those university qualifications? Okay, cool. We're on to 5 down. I'm happy with. Oh, E. Add in electric. Okay, I didn't know electric could be abbreviated to E. That's a nice idea. Carrying gun case with electric. Yeah, I don't know. Not quite there. Yeah, cool idea though. Anyway, yeah, so a young student. Oh no, that's alumni and yeah, that's not going to be the one. Camper. I'm thinking van. Avana, is that a thing? Is that a young student? I haven't heard of it. Anyway, back to yes, exactly. Yeah, 6 across. That's right. I think it could be Ivana. That kind of seems possible. I've never heard of it. Nope, that's not the one. Young student parking camper. Parking camper. Camper van, camper. Oh, an RV. Oh, hang on. Is it lava? Yes. Yes, I do believe it is. Can anyone annotate lava? Can you confirm my theory? So yes, I'm thinking definition here is young. Yes, it's lava. There we go. So it's parking camper in 12 steps. So we've got a camper is an RV, and that's going into AA, which is 12 steps, and L for student. Lovely, lovely clue. Very nice. Sounds like a student taking forever to park a camper. But in fact, it's young as in lava. Very nice. And okay, so it's looking like the loss could be an L and then dividing a baseball team. And my ignorance of baseball is not helping me with this clue. But we have got 9 across, which might help. Oh, interesting. Warrior instigating blood rage. So instigating could be taking the first letter. So could be a W at the start. And then could be, yeah, W plus blood equals rage. Rage with a W. Not necessarily, but possibly. Otherwise, it could be... Yeah, the whole thing could be a warrior. We could be instigating B and then another word for rage. L in Cubs. Yes, the Cubs. That is correct. And associations are clubs. I was thinking associations like links. I shouldn't have jumped to the more difficult sense of the word. Good spotting. 9, yep, so 9D starts with B. 9 across. now you're tricking me up as well. Yes, so it is the second one. It's starting with a B, then we've got a rage, and the whole thing is a warrior. Not sure, actually. Rage. Could be the noun, could be the verb. And the whole thing means a warrior. Am I the only one who doesn't know the answers? I think you're the only one in the session, Millie. I don't know where all my top solvers are. They were busy this evening. But believe me, I'm not pretending. I haven't got this one either. So yes, the race is on. But we can skip this one because we have more crossing letters in the southeast corner. I'm thinking warrior could be a... Is it rave? Is rave rage? I guess it could be. I feel like a brave could be a warrior. An Indian brave, if that's what that means. And if you rave... I felt like rave was more excitement than anger, but I haven't explored that word in detail. But we'll leave it for now and come across to 14 across maybe. Aquinas, a philosopher, holds fast. I feel like I've seen this one and I've forgotten it, so I'm happy to try it. Raving lunatic. Yeah, I guess, but are they angry? As I say, I haven't looked up the meaning of rave. My understanding was more of excitement, but brave for sure. There we go. I can't say no to that. We've got confirmation and it all works. Well, we'll see if 2 down works, but seems likely. So what are we looking at? 14 across, maybe? Oh yes, I was looking at the wrong the wrong clue for the wrong answer. Sorry. Interesting. Again, I feel like I've seen this one, but I've forgotten it, so I'm happy to try. And we have means silver loser. Means silver loser. So silver could be AG. And then means could be an agent, but why is ENT a loser? So I don't think that's how it's working. Means a loser. Lots of words for loser, of course. Some fairly strong ones, I'm sure, exist out there. Yeah, no, I'm not sure about that one. We've got 16 across as well. Sort of house where American president holds party. Okay, I like this. So I'm looking at the O and I'm thinking it's holding a do, maybe. Could be the party here. And what kind of house is going to have a DO in it? So that might not be right. This one's supposedly difficult. 14D, ASAP. Oh, very good. Very good. Lovely clue. Yes. It's a telescopic. SAP from the end of Aquinas, a philosopher, the P in philosopher, to make fast. Lovely clue. Very good. And good spotting, Millie. And this one's supposedly difficult. That almost tempts me to keep trying at it. But maybe we should find something easier and work around it. Oh, abode maybe? Could be a sort of house. That might be what you tried to write, actually. But then a party would be a do. Is it Adobe a sort of house? That's news to me, but possible. How's that working? No, you're just wrong. Okay. I mean, abode makes sense, though. American president holds party. American president. I'm guessing president can be P. American could be A, and we do have an A there. Sort of house. Sort of house where... I like it. Hey, Choc Chip. Good to see you. It has been a while. Yes, I apologize for that. I was a little bit slack over Easter. but I'm keen to become more regular with these. Yes. Well, you picked a good night, Choc Chip, because not too much competition on the answers. It's a fairly close gathering tonight. And we've been told that 14 across is difficult, and 16 across, although it hasn't been called difficult, we're finding difficult also. Sort of house, yeah. I mean, it could be a plaster house. And Abe is a president. American president could be Abe. Holds party. Do. Yeah. Okay. I'll go with that. That makes sense for now. We'll see if it connects up with 13 down. Casual particulars arising with old horse. So old horse is probably a nag. Particulars. That's interesting. I just can't think of any small words for particulars, so I'm guessing that... Oh, I got it. So here arising is indeed a reversal indicator. And otherwise, this is essentially a... No, I can't say a double definition, but it's... Yeah, there's not much to it. We've got one part, and there's another part which is being flipped upside down. So we've got casual particulars arising with old horse. And I'm sure if you try to put nag as old horse in, you'll find pretty quickly it doesn't fit very well. Also, there is a fairly slang term in this particular wordplay. Any ideas? Horse. Starting with S. Well, we kind of knew that we could kind of guess that there was going to be an S. GG, yeah, okay, good try. In this case, yeah, GG is not going to really fit well anywhere here. So because it's casual particulars, we can kind of guess if that's the one that's arising. There's going to be either an S at the start or at the end. And then a word for an old horse, which when going backwards or going up, arising, is casual particulars, is in fact ST. Yeah, so 14 across is looking like agent. So perhaps, yeah, not sure. Maybe that's why it's difficult, because it's either misleading or it's hard to put together. This lag. Yes, Steed, exactly, very good. Deets coming up. Nice, Choc Chip. Actually, no idea. You got it. that was it. No need to think further. Steed is the one. Steed. You looked at deets perhaps and thought that it's nonsensical, but yes, as in details. Yeah, a little bit slang, but it does have the indicator. It's now an indicator. Casual, to say that this is perhaps not the most formal of language. Tough slang. Oh, you haven't done these crosswords before. You'll get much more colloquial words than that, as I'm sure Abu Ari can attest to. So we are at 14 across, and we have no more. It's in colons. Okay, there you go. I stand corrected. If you have any doubts about the slang nature of some of these words, fear not. They are in Collins or another dictionary, which is reliable. Yeah, so again, this really does look like agent. A means could be an agent. Silver could be AG. But why is loser ENT? That is the question. Or Marino dictionaries. Yes, I appreciate that. Oh, gosh. ENT. I mean, ENT is a specialist. What do we think? There is a lesion. Yes, I thought so. I was thinking there would be a lesion. Yes, that's what I was. So it could be lose R. So it's a different word for silver. Perhaps. Does argent mean silver? And then we're taking out an R. We're losing the R from argent. I've only heard of ardent, but who knows? Oh, it's French? Let me guess, it's in Collins. Let's have a look. Oh, it's archaic or poetic for silver. Okay. Very nice, very oof. Oof indeed. Oof indeed. Yes, you need to know what you're signing up for when you take on one of Paul Daniel Siemens' crosswords. But heraldry terms, yes. Yeah, okay. But possibly lose R would not be publishable. Not sure about that. Usually it's elision can only be done between two actual words, but there might be some newspapers which are more liberal. I'm not 100% sure on that. But I like it. Yeah, I think it's a nice clue. Tricky, but yes, gettable. And where are we going from here? This one looks very interesting. Looking at 17 across, and we've got backstrokes after headmaster is faux pas. So I'm thinking the definition is faux pas. Oh, no. I think faux is an anagram, and we're mixing up pa to make SAP or maybe ASP. I'm thinking something like mishap. Oh no, hang on. That would be double duty. That's not how it's working. Clearly. Backstrokes after headmaster is faux pas. Headmaster could be an M. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. I think I might move on from that one. We've only got an S in this one, so that's probably not so helpful. But it does mean potentially that we know where the definition here is in 15 across. So we have slaughter our cash cows. I feel like I've seen this one as well, but I've totally forgotten it. And it's not looking easy. Although, I guess slaughter could be an anagram. So we could be mixing up the letters of our cash to make cows. And cows cows has a couple of meanings. I might have to look that up. I've just forgotten exactly what it means. Yes, I know that it's an agricultural animal. That's not what I mean. Please don't take this clip out of context. And we have cows can mean bully. That's what I thought. Yeah, so I think it's going to be meaning bully. And I think we're mixing up our cash to make a word meaning bully. Our cash. I could just look at an anagram generator, but I'll give it a go, see if I can see something. So it's probably going to have the S at the end. And then... yeah, it's not immediately obvious. Churcher. I do believe that's how it's working there. I wonder if cows could be an anagram. Intimidates, bullies. Yeah, I do see some liberal anagrams in these crosswords, so that's possible, but... so does it mean slaughter or does it mean cows? Well, if it means... it could be slaughter as a noun. Still, to end with an S. I'm not seeing it. I guess I'll have to use a anagram generator. I feel bad. Let me know if you guys can find something before me. Slaughter our cash cows. Here we go. Our cash. What's it gonna be? Ooh, that's not how it's working. Okay, nice. All right, this is more sophisticated than I thought. Or more difficult, at least. You can have sophisticated anagrams. Interesting. So slaughter our cash cows. So it could be just mixing up O-U-R and then a word for cash. Cash ending with an S though. Or cash could be getting mixed up and we've got our at the start. Missteps or misstep. Yes, that makes a lot of sense. Very good. So strokes here is pets and then it's back strokes. So it's step. And headmaster is headmaster. Yep, so first head of master is M and then just IS. And the whole thing is a faux pas, a misstep. Great solve, Millie. Well done. I guess we'll look at 11 down. King of the Blues has nothing on Jazzman Predator. Okay, fair enough. feel like the definition is going to be predator. It's going to have a jazzman at the end. Or, yeah, okay. It could be King of the Blues and then nothing on jazzman and then a very short predator. Yes, M plus IS, exactly. Not sure, actually. King of the Blues has nothing on Jazzman Predator. Nothing could be an O. King of the Blues could be a B. And then we've just got a Jazzman to potentially make a Predator. But not necessarily. That might not be how it's working. Yeah, we're starting to run out of easy ones, I suppose. Okay. This looks interesting. So I thought I had this one, but the wordplay is different to how my brain expected. So this one is half price drink. And what I saw was coffee, and then half of a coffee, half of a drink would be the price, which would be the fee. But that's not how it's working. A bobcat. Oh, very good. That seems possible. A jazzman is a bee cat? I mean, it's possible. I don't know my jazz people as well as perhaps I should. But certainly, yes, King of the Blues could be a B. It has nothing on a jazzman. B cat. I like B O B. Oh, King of Blues. Can you do that? I don't know about that. Oh, BB King. Oh, very good. Okay, yes. Okay, mate. Yep. Very good. Good pickup. So King of the Blues is so King, and what King is it? It's King of the Blues, which is BB King, has nothing. So BB has nothing. A jazzman is a cat. That's the slang term, I suppose. And the whole thing makes a bobcat, which is a predator. Very good. Nice solve, Millie. And good, teamwork there, Choc Chip, with the solve for how it's working. Which is nice. That gives us a C in 15 across. So it's looking more like it is going to be, unless it's a slaughter, which a anagram generator can't pick up, and I need to know it myself. Slaughter our cash cows. I don't think it's going to be... it could be a slaughter. It could be an example of a slaughter that has occurred. Mixing up our cash. It's still possible that that's what's happening. We've also got the O for 12 across, and we haven't even looked at that, so let's have a look at this one. Intimidate by admitting love for a Western star. Nice. I like it. So admitting love is probably going to mean... I was going to say it means putting an O into, but with the by there and the for, or love, admitting love for, or it could be a replacement. It could be an O for an A or an O for an. I think A has to be A. Could it be I? I guess it could be I. Yeah, as in one, Roman numerals. So there's a few possibilities here. A vocabulary special. Okay, here we go. Vocabulary test. I think I got it. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. I like that one. So actually, if people remember with cash cows, I was saying that cows has a couple of meanings. And one of those meanings is actually found in this clue, 12 across. Oh, 16 across is a... Oh, right. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, no, I had not... I did not know that was a type of house. Hector. Hector. That's an interesting idea. Okay, so Western Star could be... Is Hector a famous actor, perhaps? And in fact, Western Star is the definition, so you're on the right track. But this is very nice. This is well done. So we're looking for a word for intimidate at the start. This wheel is going around, so I guess it's lagging. But yes, we're looking for a word for intimidate. And then we've got by admitting love. And for often means equals, and indeed it does. Oh, it means intimidate. Oh, very good. Okay. But no. Only problem with that is that it wouldn't match the rest of the wordplay. But makes me feel slightly better because unless it is also a Western Star, I have not heard of that Western Star. Nice but no cigar, correct. So yes, we're looking for a different word for intimidate. This one is a bit shorter, in fact. You just got some weird noises coming through, so I don't know where that came from or why. But yes. Intimidate. And yes, it was part of this slaughter our cash cows clue.